Hi, this is Jackie from the Build It All team. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get started with Help Desk. Now, in this training, I will register a company, but it's important to already have your website ready, as you will need to connect your Help Desk to your website. So right here on the dashboard, I've already typed in a name because the website that I've created is a web agency. So I'm just putting the name of my company right here, which is Web Agency, and then a logo. Now for the logo, you need to add a link. Now, if you wonder how to add a link, it's quite easy. Probably you would have your logo on your website. So I'm going to show you how that's done. If I go to my website, you can see here is the logo that I've added. All you really need to do is to right click on that image and say copy image address. And then you're going to go back to the help desk, paste in the address, and that is how simple it is. Now for the description, we need to give a proper description. We can say best web agency in Europe. And you give a proper description about it. And then, is there any domain missing? Add it. So obviously we need to go and add our domain. So I'm going to go back to my website. I'm going to copy my domain. And then I'm going to drop it in right there. And I'm going to click add. Now you can see it's been added here. I'm just going to take the one at the top away because I'm not using that one. So that is all that you need to do. And then you're going to click save. You can see the message was that the company was created successfully. Now it says copy the script below and add it to the script section of your website, which is very important. So we're going to copy that. It says successfully copied. We're going to go back to our website. And on the left-hand side where it says script settings, you're going to click there. And right there, we're going to paste it in. And we're going to click save. Now that has been added. Now what I always like to do, even if it's saved, I always republish. So let's go back to Help Desk. And we're going to say OK. And that is how you register a company. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in another.